Yeah. All Sam's team do is win. All Sam's team do is win. All Sam's team gonna do is win. All Sam's team do is win. Niggas gonna win. Niggas gonna win. Who the fuck ever said that we don't go in? It's fucking Vic Smith, Tone Money going in. Saturday night's the showdown. We all in like poker, nigga. Don't choke a nigga. Don't fuck around. You know Tone Money and Vic is coming down on Saturday. Y'all niggas had to play, and now Cam's team is buried. Ayy, night to night we get it rockin', dog. You know Sam's team always get it poppin', dog. This is what we do, and this is what they say. Goddamn Saturday, oh Saturday, oh Saturday. Niggas know how we be. Vic Smith, Sam, Cam, and them niggas see how Sam's team do every Saturday. Niggas gon' milk the game. Niggas ain't got the fame. We got the championship, and we are holding it. Niggas already know that we gon' spit, and we gon' pop champagne for the championship. Y'all niggas must be sick. Nigga, we do this. Nigga, we do that. And I don't give a fuck. We bringing it back. This is motherfucking the nigga 8. He called himself Vic Smith, one of the greatest. And Lynn, niggas don't sin. And now they want to say, Kim, just go in. Call a timeout, cause Sam's about to get shit off the Vic Smith. And Vic is about to get it. Slam, jam, NBA jams. Everybody like how our songs in. And this is what we do, cause we about to win, man. And all we do is win.
Fucking win, nigga.